Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. Super excited for all of these kits. We have two reformats, one of them being a recolor, then there's some new art was released, and then we also have characters and doodles as per normal. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Also, Wednesday, the mystery reveal will be live, and then I'll have my kit lineup up on Friday for y'all. So I'm getting back into the swing of things. But let's just start from the top and work our way down. We have the color of the week, which is this gorgeous burnt pumpkin color, which is great for the fall. I'm hoping to get some new doodles out here soon. It's just been so wild and crazy. Y'all will see in my future plan with me's, but these are the normal 10 sheets. There will be a buy all option as normal if you want to pick them all up, and there's a slight discount on that as well. Then these scribblers for this week are so cute. They are going to the pool. They got their little pool floaty and their little bathing suit, and they are so adorable in the, oops, I gotta fix that, in the normal 6 colorways. So those will be available Wednesday as well. And then there is also 2 new pop culture characters. So I wanted to do some Encanto characters, and not my favorite movie out of all of the like Disney films, but super cute. And I know a lot of y'all loved it. So you have, is it Louise or Louisa and Mirabelle? Is that her name, or Mira something? I don't know. They'll have the right names on the listing, but those are the new pop culture characters for this week. Let's go into the newer art first, and this is called Life in Plastic. So stinking cute. I'm obsessed with this. I'm having a real struggle. If you have any words of wisdom, let me know in the comments down below. Should I use this for the movie coming out, or should I use it for my birthday? Because I love Barbie so much. So whenever Jess said she was doing Barbie art, I literally squealed. I was so excited because I knew Jess would do such a fantastic job. And like, come on, everything is beautiful. I love the colors. I love the vibes. Barbie, again, everything is perfection. These colors are so fun, so summery. You have a birthday box there and then a little outfit. I love the patterns, especially the bottom washi pattern. It's just so stinking good. Your scene over here would be perfect for some quotes. And then also the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the tall box of the roller skating Barbie. All of this week's collections come in mini and ultimate. So there is the mini kit. And then let's go through the add-on options. There's quite a few for this one. So you have the doodle, the functional, the ombre, the label, and then we also have the fashion option. So fashion, and then there's fam options. So I recolored the girl from Heartbreaker, and then you have 3 fashion options here in fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Obsessed. I'm like, I just could use the kit twice in a year because it's so beautiful. Or maybe I use it for a birthday a different year, use it for the movie next year. I don't know. I'm struggling. Next, let's go through the recolor. So I initially had this kit custom made for Avery's birthday. It's called Level Up in the shop. It's pastels. And Bennett wants a Minecraft birthday, which I thought was a little specific. So I was like, hey, Jess, can you recolor this in like more traditional colors? Because I just used that kit this year. So if it was like next year, I probably would have just used the pastel. But since I'm going to be using the same kit in my planner twice this year, I was like, let's at least have it in a different colorway. I am going to be using rainbow foil with this, which I think is going to be so fun. But because there's so many bright colors, you could use so many different fun colors. You could use silver. You could use black. This one I'm not sure about. I'm thinking sparkly hollow is the answer, but I'm not totally sure. But I'm obsessed with this recolor. I think it gives the kit like a whole different look with the like rainbow colors and the black. I am just obsessed with it. I did change up like all of the boxes. You have like a Minecraft looking pattern. I made that one in there. I thought for the green it had to be, and then you have the faux black throughout as well. I left a box in here so you could do some kind of birthday quote in there. You have the like rainbow pixel there. There's like a slight splatter to the black. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the level up box, and I am just obsessed. This was probably one of our best-selling birthday kits as well. Probably after like the Winnie the Pooh one. This one was like the next biggest one. So pretty. Oh, Barbie sold. Well, most of them sell really well, but Level Up sold so well. So you have the doodles if you want to add it on. There are 2 label sampler add-ons of different colors that aren't in the set, along with the regular label sampler, the functional, the ombre, and then there are Fama boxes, which are so cute. I love that Jess did the fashion option here in the Luigi, and then I just added the little Minecraft onto this person here, but so stinking cute. I literally can't even, and I'm so excited to use it again. And I think especially like, one, it's a whole different colorway, so it's fine. I'm using it in my planner twice this year. I don't think I'll ever do that again with kits, but like for birthdays I will. But I think especially like different colors, but also like the different foil options, it's going to be fantastic. And then this one has been so requested to be reformat. This is Cottage Core. This was in our ultimate like mystery bundle last year, and the kit, like the leftovers, have sold out. So there's been so many messages like, bring this back, because I think this is perfect for fall time, but also perfect for like March, springtime. Really great, just anytime kit. And it is reformatted in the new format. This one is also exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else, just like the Level Up art. But this is so pretty. I'm pretty sure I used this spring, and it was excellent. I love this with rose, but I feel like you could do matte bronze. I could feel like you could do silver. You could do matte bronze, matte silver. There's lots of options. Let me show you the mini kit. I don't know why I pulled it out, but let me just flip on through. So the mini kit page here, same freebie, always in the mini kit. So that is Cottage Core. Again, it came out last year in the Ultimate Planner Bundle. Let me know if you want to see any of those other kits reformatted as well. The add-on options, you have the label sampler too. You have the fashion options, the doodle, the functional, and the ombre. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope y'all like this week's releases. I am so excited to reuse Level Up, especially with rainbow foil. I think that is going to be epic. Hannah did so kindly make me, and I think she's releasing them, pixel underlays as well as Minecraft overlay boxes. So very excited about those to go with that. But that, my friends, is everything. Everything will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. And I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.